Email marketing is an effective sales and marketing tool for all industries, but it is hard to gain newsletter subscribers unless you know how to make them sign up for your newsletter. So we discuss in this video how a company can make its email marketing campaign successful. There are 3 ways a marketer can utilize their newsletter. The first and simplest method is to simply buy a list of email addresses. If you are doing this, do not just expect a list full of random email addresses like you receive on your spam mail. You will want your list to contain information about your business. This means it must contain people's names and email addresses. The second method is simply to purchase leads from a lead agency. This process is simple, but you will not get what you paid for. The leads are from websites that will actually sell to you, but if you don't find someone to buy them from, your leads are worthless. The third method is to build your own list. This process is the most intricate and time-consuming, but it produces the most profitable results. It is time-consuming, but not as time-consuming as purchasing leads and then spending every weekend for a week or 2 sending out emails to a list of people that you have never met before. Now that you know how to make your newsletter work, you will need to know how to get email subscribers. You can either purchase leads or build your own, but do not waste your time on the second method. The more leads you send to, the more unsubscribes you will get. And the more unsubscribes you get, the less money you will make. And if you do not get your leads, you will lose money anyway, so what's the point? So focus on the first method and make sure that you are getting a list full of real email subscribers so that you can get maximum returns. And the best way to build a list is to offer something for free in exchange for your email address. There are lots of options available out there. I'm sure that you can find many in the internet. The best way is to offer a newsletter in exchange for your email address. It's a win-win, so make sure you are offering one. Find out more at market.sekaibusiness.com.